All right, we left off right here with creating our importing this subroutine. And now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go back to get this to work the way it needs to work. We got to redo our main routine. So we're going to double click on main routine, open it up, and this is what I want your main routine to look like. So you'll need to be creating a timer, and you'll have the jump to subroutine, and it will be running when the timer one is timing. With control power, I've got that in here right now. We can leave that in there. I have an output 7, which was from the subroutine. Output 7. When output 7 turns on, it is going to do a function called mask move. Now, mask move is in the move logical group. There's move, there's mask move. So mask move, if you remember how you did your sequencer from PLC 1, you had a mask, and so in this one I'm 00FF. So it's gonna move a 0 into the first 8 bits. So F is for 4 bits, another F is going to be 8 bits. So it's going to move zeros into our bit shifter. So when this program runs, it should clear out all these. Once these all turn on, it should turn them all off. Put zeros in them, and then the bit shifter should go again. Now I didn't discuss it last time, but the bit shift function here has a length. So it's only going 8. So we're only going to put in, every time we have a timer done bit come on, we're going to put it in the first bit. It's also going to shift what was in 0 down to 1. So every time it shifts the previous bit into the next bit, and when it gets down to 7, it just basically gets shifted out. Since our length is 0, it won't go in. We can look at that later, but for now, here's what I want your main routine to look like as of right now, and then we will run this and test it. So, and we'll make sure that we have our outputs turning on, and we'll verify whether they turn on the inputs to our MicroLogix controller.